Cannot stop touching my hair, by the way. Just look at that curl definition though. Curl like this. It bounces back. Hello dear world. Guys, today we're going to be talking about something super fun, which is my hairs. Most of the time that you guys actually seen me, I think since the very beginning, my hair has always been very problematic. It has been really frizzy and it's been damaged for some reason, and half the time I don't even know what's up. I colored my hair for the first time in 2015. After that, my hair has just always been super frizzy for some reason, and it's always been like, I don't know how to put it. It's not been the best that it possibly could be. And I've always been trying to do things differently and it never really worked out up until now. My hair looks very different now. This essentially is because now I'm following a routine that's good for my hair and my hair actually likes. So I've been doing this for almost a month now, and I really want to talk about the products that I have been using because I feel like if they made a lot of difference to my hair, you guys are definitely going to like this. Now, so BBLUNT told me about their new Repair Remedy line. It essentially has the shampoo, the conditioner, as well as the leave-in cream. I bought all three and I have been using it for almost a month now. I feel like the whole range has made a lot of difference. I have been working with BBLUNT since I think 2015. It's been a very long time because I really like their products. They're affordable, they actually work. I absolutely love their curl defining leave-in cream, and this just, I feel that my hair is getting better with most of the product that I use from the brand, but this range has actually made me believe that my hair can be better. The BBLUNT Repair Remedy line has argan oil as well as keratin. Both of the things are really good for damaged hair. Keratin works to repair your hair. It helps if you have damaged hair, if you have colored your hair too much, if you have used a lot of heat tools, if you've gotten chemical treatment on your hair, or it's just due to like regular pollution. You know, in India it's pretty bad. So if any of these things is an issue and because of that your hair not reaching its potential, keratin really helps in that. And argan oil helps it feel all smooth and shiny and bouncy like what my hair is feeling right now. So both of the things are really good for damaged hair. The whole range has been specifically created for Indian hair. So you don't have to worry about the fact that if it's going to work for you or not, because that's just the way they formulated it. And I can clearly tell that it's working, so you don't need to worry about that. I want to tell you guys how exactly I use this and how it has made a difference to my hair. And I'm so happy that I finally figured out a way that my hair feels hydration and repair. So the way I use this is that I take about 2 pumps of the shampoo. The shampoo is very potent. You don't really need a lot of it. So I use this shampoo with a shampoo brush. Now these things are available everywhere. You can just take that, and while you shampoo, you can gently massage your scalp. I like to do this because it just really helps your scalp and it helps in new hair growth, as well as helping your shampoo work a little bit better. After I'm done shampooing my hair, I kind of remove all of the water from my hair and then I apply the conditioner. I apply about a lot of the conditioner. So I take a nice amount of conditioner on my hand and I just apply it all over my hair. I leave it on my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. After I'm done conditioning my hair is when I do something different. I comb my hair while the running water is going through my hair. This really helps in detangling my hair. I also use a specific wide tooth comb, and once I feel like there aren't any more knots in the hair, then I take the normal tooth side and I brush it with that. When my hair is dripping wet, I take 1 pump of this and then I scrunch it into my hair. Then I take another pump and I scrunch it into my hair. Then I take the 3rd pump, I scrunch it into my hair. And by the 4th pump, when I'm scrunching this into my hair, it has left most of the water and now only the product remains in my hair. After I'm done scrunching this in my hair, I just let it air dry and it dries like this and it's super hydrated. and it actually has texture and it feels so nice. But you guys know that I'd rather show you how it has actually changed my hair as compared to telling you about it. So I took one picture a week, and since I've been using it for 3 weeks now, there's 3 pictures that I have of what my hair used to look like and what it looks like now. So there's 3 weeks of me trying this product out, and you can clearly tell little by little my hair has become better.
As you guys can see, before there wasn't any curl definition. Also, the more my hair is repaired, the more it's bouncing up. So you can see that my hair has gone from very flimsy to actual full bouncy curls, and this is what I mean by my hair being repaired by the new BBLUNT Repair Remedy collection.
Now they've stated that the leave-in cream has to be used on damp hair. You can either use the leave-in cream while your hair is still damp. Do not use this when your hair is dry, because I don't think this is gonna work if it's dry. Or you can do what I do and use this on dripping wet hair, and it just I can't even tell you how much I like this. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've only left with this much. That's how much I like this. I feel really happy that I've started to use this, because I'll be very honest, I've never really felt very confident about wearing my hair down. I do wear it down because I really don't care, but at the same time, I've never gotten compliments on my hair, apart from that one time that I did like a victory roll on Fashion Week. I don't really get compliments on my hair because my hair wasn't its best and it was super damaged. Now I don't even need compliments. My hair, it's so healthy and it's bouncy. A lot of times I've gone to the market and women have stared at my hair and they've told me later on that they were looking at your hair. So I feel like this shampoo, conditioner and leave-in cream have like helped me a lot in terms of my confidence. You guys know I have to try the products out before I recommend it to you guys. So I'm very happy with these products. I would suggest you guys go ahead and try these. Are legit. I feel like they work. I know that they work because they've worked on my hair, and I really want you guys to tell me what exactly your experience has been with this product, because I can guarantee you that it has been good. If you have used these, definitely let me know in the comment section what exactly your experience has been. I've been absolutely loving this. I think I will finish the whole bottle pretty soon. I hope you guys like this video. And if you didn't subscribe, by clicking on the subscribe button. If you have any other further questions, you can definitely ask me in the comment section, as well as on any of my social media. I am everywhere.